Walker. That was Dan going, I know where they are. Follow me.
Only did you bring the Piccadilly thing?
It's all your fault, weren't it, Dan?
That's my bad.
I need the box. Fucking passport.
Okay, yeah, I'm good with that.
That means they won't be able to take it. Well, they'll find it very
this is where that pond thing is.
No, there's another.
Move, because that's where we just...
I updated you on
your
the
law,
plan.
we just came through there.
I'm just going to follow you on the short one.
We go back way and they go to the high part.
Is that one of the six?
I've seen two reds come across over here. They should be across here momentarily. I'm going to go across you. Hit! Trade off.
Hit!
Oh. Did he get you through that window and then that window?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Headshot.
Blue, blue. Blue. This side's clear. Is there a flag around here? Have you taken it?
Yeah.
Cool. Hit! Nice shot! Hit! Nice shot! There's two in front of me, I can't see their armbands. You ready? See how much ahead? Was he a blue? Oh, they're blues, they're blues, they're blues.
Okay.
That'll light them up from behind then. Hit! Nice headshot! Medic! Oh, shit. Ah. Is he dead though? Hit! Nice! Nice shot. Was that you, is it?
Yeah.
You got me in a boot.
Yeah, my rifle broke, so I have to go pistol.
Nice.
Oh, I'm nothing like that. Nice look, I like it.
Huh?
I like your...
Yeah, cheers. It's getting hot in it though. Shit. You need medic? Wristband. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, should we hit that red there?
Yeah, I've been trying to. How will we shoot?
Say again? Oh, someone's shooting at us.
Blue!
Blues over here, hold fire!
Blue.
We've got a bunch of blues and bushes to the left.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, 2 red right.
Alright, I want to walk up to that guy. Because no one's on our side. There's one behind him. Can you move? There's one behind it.
Right in front.
Hit! Nice shot! Hit! Nice!
DJI5, and I just saw movement crossing. I just quickly got the guy and ran the itch, and that was one of our team. It was an amazing kill. It was probably the best shot I've ever taken. Unfortunately, yeah.
That's the thing, if they're facing behind you in trenches or anything, it's sometimes hard to see the band.
Yeah, exactly. We were red last time, so our buzz on his side just
Yeah.
coming across like that, so I just didn't see it out. Oh well. He was a good sport about it.
I'll let you die before me.
I don't think there's anything I can do. You go at the front. I can't see.
Was that red respawning just then, or blues pushing?
No, I think red are respawning there now. Apparently there's one of those cans is down the end of dog legs, so they're probably going to that one.
Careful, there's a blue next to it.
Get better in there! On Abney! He's there around that corner!
Did you go off?
Blue!
Blue! Hard run!
Hit! Hold on.
Literally in hard right.
Medic. No. Yeah, okay, this way. Thank you. He's right on the corner of that next one.
Nice shot.
Kai, he's right up on that corner.
Dead man!
Ooh.
Oh, hit!
Right, stay still, you got medic, haven't
I
you?
got a medic.
Yeah. Take it off your gun. Come over here.
Sorry guys, I'm just going to test this over there.
They don't work too well on ground though. Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
One right round that corner. It's got me right in the middle, it's like the nerve ending.
Oh. He knows we're going to be flanking. Keep your voice down, keep your voice down. Keep your voice down, guys. Guys.
Whoa! Where's Kai?
He's up ahead of you. Careful, that's a blue. I shot him accidentally.
Up the blues, let's go boys.
There's a guy in the back of the
Get
truck.
in there.
Back of the truck, no.
Kai, one ahead of you in the bush.
Back of the truck, please you see that window, just go really carefully.
Single shot.
Whoa! One here, round the back!
Sorry. Is that a blue? I can't tell if that's blue in there.
Okay guys.
You see? Blue, blue!
Can't get you anyway. I'll take the hit on that one.
Is he dead?
Is that you in there? Yeah, my grenade.
getting it.
Alright, fuel container. Oh, someone's grabbed them.
Someone grabbed it.
Nice try, though. There's another one.
One's from up towards links.
Right, okay.
I'm tempted to go that way, just cut them off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've got enough guys going.
That way. Want to get that forward HQ before they get back.
Wait, which way's forward HQ?
Their forward respawn is just going to be through this tree. There's like a little opening beyond
Okay,
these trees.
cool. That's the flag thing, isn't it?
Yeah, so we want to get that to stop them from
Spawning from.
spawning up as far.
There's someone in the head in trees. There's a red. Straight ahead.
Push him, just walk straight up at him.
We've got numbers. Scare him. Put the pressure on.
He's running.
Put the pressure on. See, look. See, they get scared. They see the numbers.
He's scared because I'm walking behind you and he knows he can't shoot you. Ah, crap. Nice shot, whoever did that. Was it you, was it? Nice. Watch out, one's moving left straight ahead. Oh, crap. Right, he's in the trees, about 10-20 metres out. Hit!
Okay, buddy.
Well, they went off on you, so you're dead. Unfortunately.
Well, nice friend.
Sorry, just lean in front of you. Ah! That's alright, don't worry. Shoot first, ask questions later. Hit! Nice! Medic, blue.
Stand up.
Just pull me around. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, put that up.
Ooh.
I can't shoot.
Yeah, I don't think it counts through that, does it?
Pointing from over there, just took out a load of our guys.
Alright. Guys, red to your head, straight ahead. LMG behind you! Trade off. You okay? I could have shot you for defence, but I held fire just because it was unsportsmanlike. Nice pistol.
Thanks, man.
The mag can't come out from the grip.
Alright, how's that? Really stupid design for a gun.
Cheers.
Yeah, you have to kind of yank it a little bit and make sure you fire at the ground to clear the chamber.
Me after a curry. Half a barrel.
There's DJing up and down, it's hard to keep on top of it, but we're doing the best we can. That was a blue victory again, however, kind of irrelevant because we're only doing one leg of it, so it's fine. This next game, massively smaller, so we're now playing south side only. So the runway, you can go on, but you can't go north of the runway, you need to stay this side down. The objective is for red team as the attacking team. They're going to start the respawn on the left side of the runway, my left, or however you're looking at it, my left. You blues are going to be at the top of the runway up here.
Yeah, no, I see them all. Flags just around that bend there.
Oh, it's right here. Down.
Careful, the tank guys over there, mate. Sorry? Careful, the tank guys over there.
Got about 30 minutes. You just to pick it now. Because they might see the way up here.
good sir.
Hello.
I'll come to join you.
Careful, there's a red over there running away.
No idea what this shot from.
Guys in the bush and straight ahead of us. Bush right there. I'll reload him. Nice.
Can't go wrong with gas pistol.
One's walking up towards the tank. He's probably going to take that position on your right.
Oh, yeah, Echo.
He's dead.
Yeah, we in.
Red runner on the runway. He's hit. He's hit.
There was no way he was
He's got absolutely fucking rinsed.
Oh,
There's another one gun up to the tank.
I don't have enough range.
Nor do I, but sometimes just volleying it. Whoa! Someone, they definitely have a range. Careful, that guy's got range because he almost clipped me. Is that another one in the bush or was it one of ours?
CCDRT inside the town one. One moving right to left. He's behind that big bush now, directly to the left of it.
Okay.
You see him walking through. He's in the alleyway.
Who's got a lot of range?
Not me. One's right behind the tank in front of us right now, the beige one. He just ran up behind it.
I'm just shooting next to you.
Left side of the path. Guys, left side of the path, he's got an angle on us. One on the path, straight ahead over there.
Over there. Coming round.
There's a red pushing us, there's a red pushing. Just wait there for a respawn.
Oh, hit!
You made it out?
Dead man walking!
Ready? Where is he? There's one closer, isn't there? Hit! Nice one!
Do you need medicine?
Yes. Thank you. He's right on the barrel.
Oh, sorry, Marshall. Down. Barrels
Is that a red to the left there?
Yeah, it is. All the barrels in place, it's not moving.
Red on the path by Echo!
That barrel's not moving.
Yeah.
Can't get eyes on it. Down, see if I see on your right. Move in, change your mags.
Okay. I'm not entirely sure, but I think one went behind the bush when the other one was pushing up to us.
I don't know how much is left in that mag. Dead.
Oh my god, so we got him. We got quite close.
Well, Sergeant's left in his right leg.
They're going for it. Is there one still alive behind it?
Hit! See that, guys?
Two in the ditches to your left. Bullet. Two run over towards Echo. Oh Jesus, I'm down to one mag. Hit! Nice one!
Loaders, man. I run a drum normally, but I ran out of battery, so now I'm down to like 400 rounds or something. And when you're firing 40 a second, you run out pretty fucking quick.
To be honest, I've been thinking about getting one of the drum mags for this one as well.
So worth it.
Is
so
it?
worth it, yeah.
Not too far.
Hopefully that gets someone. I think they're still behind that open sea, but I can't see.
I take it you can't reach those guys down there, can you?
Yeah, unlikely.
There's crows.
Oh shit, get down.
Someone's by the bush where you killed that last dude. Watch your left. The same place you killed the last dude, there's another one there.
Oh, really? Wait, I got him.
No, there's another one. He's just stood out right now. Left side of the camo net. You know, the bunker down here, the camo net is left side of it. Yeah, he's coming up and down. Did they get the fuel tank in the end or not?
Sorry?
Did they move the fuel that was over here originally? They're running with fuel!
Oh, come on! Oh, boy!
Are they still, they're still playing, aren't they?
Still running!
Hit! Oh damn, I'm already used my spawn. Right, they got the fuel containers and they went in one of these sides, I couldn't see which one.
Right, so they're in here.
They've got some fuel cans, they're in either one of these, I didn't see which one they went in.
Alright.
So the fuel can will buy the tanks, they've got it.
Well, Rick, you just said they've taken the fuel cans again in here. We could try this.
We'll go for it, but like, if we put 6 people in there, you're all going to die, innit? So take a couple
Go
of
round,
minutes.
yeah? Yeah.
Leave
All
it.
right.
Let everyone else die like
Yep.
You guys dead, are you?
No.
Right. Is it clear at the front?
Yeah.
Right, okay, they must be pushing the other side.
Yeah, I think
Any idea where the fuel is? It this side or the other one?
I think it's got to be the other side.
Okay, cool. Because I saw them take it, but I wasn't sure which one they ran down. So it's got to be the other side then. We got loads of deads coming through, so careful.
We're getting right through here, mate.
Respawn on our lap first.
Come on, Ray! Push!
Dead man.
Guys, where's the bomb?
Blue, what's your head? Dead man. Blue, what's your head?
Ah, kill myself.
It was supposed to get closer. Dead man. Just retrieving.
Hold on. Ah, I killed myself throwing that one.
Yeah, you got us.
But I paid 150 quid for it.
I was going to say, you've been stealing everybody else's.
Yeah, 120.
Elliot, we're defending us, aren't we?
We gotta get it in here. You want to get to that back corner, so we need to get through this and out the back here then. Yeah, which one? What's that? First, second, or third? This is the one closest to safe zone. Oh, these are the HESCO jobbies, aren't they? Yeah, is that what we're going through? So we get through there. Yeah. Once we book this fuckers up, and then, as I say, there is a flag there because we were spawning from it earlier. Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, no, there's people right there, but if we push up, just try and get there.
Run down the side of the hill, shoot over the
Yeah, we're gonna push forward a bit. If anyone can hit them. Fire in advance, boys! How many?
Quite a few, 3 of them, but I got a few.
Well, that'll certainly take.
2 dead, 3 dead. No, you got all of them, grenade.
Did I?
That's 3.
Right, that's it.
Tesco. Try and get some smoke in to get up to the next Tesco. Hang on.
How he's got high, I don't know. He's up above Jake. Him? Ooh, he'll get you.
Good sir. Control, please. Right. Are they what? Dead ahead. Right, okay.
Straight up the smoke.
Yep.
Right.
Where's it going?
Let me swap with you.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Fucking hero, he just fell out. That means I'm deaf in one ear now.
Good shot, whoever that was.
You got hit straight on the head.
Fucking hell, square on the ball.
Ooh.
Get a bit closer. Ready? Come down here to your head. Hard right. Yeah, I'll be on the other side of that. I fucking love those multi-bangs. Are you on? Yeah.
You right?
I'll BFD.
Yeah.
Whose was the multi-bang? What? No, I've got to try. Okay, so second idea. Loop round, try and come through the other side of Echo and come in on them from behind. If anyone's down there.
Is he there?
Yeah.
Side by the house.
He's right by.
Grenade!
Oh! I think so. Yeah.
We dead.
You threw it high
Hang
there.
fire, Marshall coming through!
Marshall coming through, hold fire!
I think it went, you got one.
It landed kind of in the dirt there.
Lads, make sure with your solid states you're posting it, not throwing it over arm, because you'll knock someone out. I mean, it went over here though. Yeah.
I think it fragmented, by the way, mate. Okay.
Yeah, just leave it alone, guys. He'll come pick it up after.
Right. You happy? Guess so.
Yeah. Still there?
I mean,
Huh?
if you want.
Well, I've got 2 anyway, so if you want to try one. To use it, when you're ready, push that through and then just underarm it.
Right. So literally, what? Just push it.
Yeah, just push it in.
Ready? Okay. 3. Ready?
Yep.
Straight in. 3, 2, 1. Right. Push.
2. I think there's 2 in there.
House. Right. He's in the house.
Okay.
If we pop round, just fucking straight on. Ready? You going left or right?
I'm going to push up to that container.
Okay, right. I'll cover you. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. He's on the left. Hit! Medic!
On the corner.
I tried it with 1. Right, I need someone to fucking cover me if I can pull him in.
Is he in there? Yeah. And one on the corner.
We have one there on the far end. We can throw this, I know, but can you throw it down? Ah, he's right there.
Yeah.
You see it? How far? Down on the bottom.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this kid right.
Okay, we keeping this on the bottom, man.
Yeah. I've got light in my pocket. Push it there. See what I mean?
Oh, it's behind the house as well, on the left side on the house. No, that's the problem. Ah, good job, mate, good job.
Yeah, no,
Oh, one more, behind the house, one more. Push left, not push right, push left, not.
Get in, boys.
Nice one. Anybody see any orange BFGs?
Oh, fuck, I'm out.
There's one here.
Is there? Behind the green, right there.
Behind the green?
Yeah, right there. Go low. Up top. Got him.
Whew.
Nice.
So what is that? What one is that?
It's a grenade that fucking exploded. It's a
Pulse
B.
right.
It's a Pulse B1, but it's not meant to look like that.
You got warranty on that?
Yeah, we saw that.
I
It kind of went in when we saw 3 parts, kind of like.
I mean, it's my own fault.
Oh, were you one of the lads in there?
Yeah, I was in here.
How many did we get with the grenades?
You got me, possibly one other. We sort of fallen back from
Thank
the side.
you for that, one.
You were throwing all your grenades around here. We were trying to hold in this hut.
Yeah, I
So
saw.
the one that sort of landed up here got me while I was stood there.
Was the smoke any good? Did
Not really, no. We could still see down here.
Okay.
The wind wasn't in your face.
I'm gonna say that it was good and give myself a boost. I'm usually shy on grenades, so I've done all right. Right, let's go and shoot some people.
No kill. There was someone here.
Careful, you're going to kill our teammate there.
Yeah, he was there. He said that. So 1 kill.
I mean, we can go and help on the right hand side.
Devon, did we go right side? Can you see what they've done?
Sorry?
Did we go right side and see
Apparently
what
they
they've
were pushing through.
We need this area ideally.
Well, no, because we need to take that side, don't we? That's where the bomb's got to go.
Is it?
I think it's either that side or like just past here. So
Thing is, there's spawns at the top of this, so it's pointless.
well, if we leave some, people here.
There's one in that hole there. Hit! Nice! Hit! Nice! Thank you. Sorry.
Medic!
Can you just move? Yeah. Hit! Nice!
Red, medic!
I didn't even see where that one came from.
I know where it came from.
Oh, I'm dead anyway. I'm gonna bleed out.
Red, medic!
Hit! Nice! Your shot volleyed right there. Good shot. Just one sec. It's one left, one right. Yeah. Yeah, James.
Yeah, we're over down the end. I'm literally like 30 seconds.
Stand on my right, because I can't hear on my left, my hearing is blocked out.
Literally like 30 seconds before the end, right? This guy, he ran straight through, shot 4 of us.
Oh.
I got from point blank as well. I got shot right there in the thigh.
Ow.
Thankfully, that was the only time I got a shot this game.
Stay to the end. Land that one back as well, thank you mate. Lovely, thank you sir. Lovely, sorry mate.
Thank you for staying to the end,
One go in one go. Sorry,
There you go.
get there eventually, cheers mate.